Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a craft tutorial because today in my channel, even though it's someone else in my channel, it is craft day. First craft day. And what you will need for the material to make the craft will a button, an animal earring of some sort, and a backing. So what you gotta do is you get the button, put the earring through any hole of the button, and then put the back on the earring. And then it's like your own little pet on a little carpet or something. It doesn't fall off unless you take it off. And bye-bye everyone. Hope you like my tutorial, my little craft tutorial. Bye everyone. Comment, subscribe, and follow Jillian on Twitter. Bye bye.